I basically have the power box over to your right showing our wire going in. That's tying in with a relay that was supplied by the door manufacturer. And then so we have common and normally open as our primary setup, and this is kind of overkill for our power box, but we landed two direct power supplies, one for the controller and one for the actual door swing. That's down here. Then I have my PoE controller from HID that's going to be controlling the card readers from the outside. And now we have a push button that basically unlocks this and then it swings open. I've installed the wiring harness that's attached to the door. I basically had to drill through here, and then up here there's a channel that reaches all the way up in here. I had to bore these out so it doesn't cut up the wire. And then on the other side of the door, which is the card reader, that's going to gain access to the controller I showed you, and then the AI phone, it's in the Rex contact. So when they call on the intercom, which will dial into their phone system, that will allow them to unlock the door. And again, once it makes contact, these will close. And then there's two different functions on here. This is where the push to exit button, that will function as one possibility, or will function. And then the second one is the card reader, along with the phone intercom, that will allow the door to just unlock. This will just depress off of this with the normally open contact in the common. And that is it. I got about 13 of these to install at Rowan Helping Ministries, and I'm going to get to it.